Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Indenting large blocks of code in Python is essential for maintaining readability and ensuring that the code functions correctly. Indentation in Python is used to define code blocks such as loops, conditional statements, functions, and classes. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to indent large blocks of code in Python. 1. Use consistent indentation. Python requires consistent indentation to define code blocks. The standard convention is to use 4 spaces for each level of indentation. Avoid mixing tabs and spaces for indentation as it can lead to syntax errors. 2. Use indentation for control structures. When writing loops, for, while, and conditional statements, if, elif, else, make sure to indent the block of code that belongs to that particular control structure. The indented code will be executed only if the condition is met. 3. Use indentation for functions and classes. When defining functions and classes in Python, the entire block of code inside the function or class should be indented. This helps in clearly identifying the scope of the function or class. 4. Use indentation for nested blocks. If you have nested code blocks within other code blocks, make sure to indent them accordingly. Each level of nesting should have an additional level of indentation. Here is an example to demonstrate how to indent large blocks of code in Python. In the above example, the code inside the greet function is properly indented to define the function scope. The code blocks inside the if and for statements are also indented accordingly. By following these guidelines and using proper indentation, you can make your Python code more readable and maintainable.